Hello my people, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about how you can link your PayPal account to your Mpesa. So what you are supposed to do here is, first you are supposed to have a PayPal account so that you can finalize with this process, because without that PayPal account there's no way you are going to link with your Mpesa. So first you are supposed to have a PayPal account. And then the second thing is that you are supposed to have registered that account with the names in your Mpesa, because there are people who register PayPal account with different names other than those which are in their Mpesa. So you are supposed to first make sure that your PayPal account name matches that one of your Mpesa. So if that one is achieved, it means that you are good to go, and you will be required to go to your browser and then you type PayPal Mpesa like that, and then you will be required to click on this link. So a page like this for linking the two accounts will be populated. As you can see here, there's this logo for PayPal and then Mpesa, which means you are in the page which links the two accounts. So since you have opened a PayPal account and the only thing which you want to do is to link, you are supposed to click Get Started. So once you click on Get Started, a page like this, a small page like this will be open for you, and what you are supposed to do here is for you to log in. You enter your details for login, and then you click Login. So you'll be patient a bit for the page to log in, and something like this will come up where they have written withdraw from PayPal, top up to PayPal. But in most cases, if you haven't registered yet, because mine is already registered, that's why it has brought me direct to withdraw from PayPal, top up to PayPal. But when you are registering for the first time here, it means that you will be required to enter the number for Mpesa, the number that you know you will be withdrawing the money to. So you enter that number and then you confirm that number so that it will be activated for withdrawing from your PayPal to Mpesa. So once that one is achieved, which means you will be required to hit withdraw from PayPal to Mpesa, and then you will enter the amount that you want to withdraw here in dollar currency, and then you click continue. So mine, I cannot continue because I have no cash, so it will not accept. And I want to talk on the side of topping up from Mpesa to PayPal. What you're supposed to do here is you will click on top up, and you will be required to enter the amount which you want to top up. You will first calculate and find out how much you are supposed to top up. If you want to buy something via PayPal but you have the money in your Mpesa, this is how you can top up. You will first calculate the amount within the PayPal. You see the exchange rate, and then you enter that amount. Like this, the amount they are selling for $100. So which means you enter this in the form of Kenya shillings, and you will be required to use your Lipa na Mpesa pay bill, whereby you enter this business number, and then the account number will be the telephone number for your Mpesa, and then you will proceed like that. So once the money is confirmed, which means that money will go direct to your PayPal account. So this is the simple process on how you can withdraw money from PayPal to Mpesa or from Mpesa to PayPal. It is just as simple as that. But make sure that your Mpesa account is registered in your name, which corresponds with your Mpesa names. If your PayPal account has different names to that one of your Mpesa, it means that you are not going to get that money. Make sure that your Mpesa corresponds with your PayPal names. By doing that one, it means that it is easier for you like that, and you will have your money in less than 5 minutes or 10 minutes like that. So if you found this video productive and you want to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and hit notification bell. so that when I post a video like this, you will be able to be notified.